All right, so we just got these in the mail. Let's take a look at it. These are hearing aids. I want to keep the box, so I'm going to do that. And so it does come with a quick start guide. I have to tell you right now, because I've already investigated this a little bit, is to use these, you have to download an app. And so the app's called HaFit app. And if you've got Android here, Apple there. Make sure you know that. Save this because you need it. Here's your user manual, and it's quite lengthy. You might want to read up on it. Of course, it comes with USB-A to C, and let's take a look at them right here. This is them right here. Bam, done. All right, so these are really good hearing aids, or I guess, I don't know what, maybe they call them something else. But this is the box they come in. And the back is a USB-C to charge them. It's magnetic. Look at this, magnetic. And here are your two hearing aids. This is your right one here, right? And this is your left one here. And when I pull them out like that, you see how these they lit up? What that means is that we've discharged some of the battery. Although it's saying that they're fully charged, this tells you if the left and right one are charged. But yeah, there they are. Now to use this, like I said, you've got to have the app, all right? And I've already downloaded the app. I got them kind of twisted. Let me just set them to the side here. And to connect them to the app, I got to tell you right off the bat, you have to remove them from the case. And let me go and show you the app. All right, so anyway, this is the app. It's called HaFit, and I've already downloaded it on the Apple Store. So I'm just going to show it to you guys. It opens up like this, and then you've got to search for the device. It found them right off the bat. And you can see it, look, they're charged. It's the left and the right. And let me slide this over just a little bit so that you guys can see this. All right, so here's all our stuff, right? Just set it right there. All right, so anyway, here's the app, and it works great. You put them in your ears, and then, you can do a hearing test, which I did do, and it's in my other video. You can change the sound. Now, you're going to need this to raise and lower the sound. Here you drop the volume, and here you would raise the volume. Now, you can do it for both. You can do it for the left or the right. You just got to click here or click here to do that, to change it. The mode, what that does is it gives you a quiet setting, it gives you a noisy setting, or an outdoor setting. I leave it on quiet because I'm upstairs right now. So it changed. So I'm going to go back to quiet. So you have to do that. You do that. If you want to fine tune it, it's going to tell you that you need to go to a professional to do it. So I'm just going to hit I know. And so here you would do your fine tuning, right? And you can also change the mode of it, but I'm going to leave it on quiet. And then you can do right or left ear. You can see the right ear's red, left ear's blue, right? And then over here, you can do the volume again, like we were. And then there's other. And this is another thing that you can do on there. But anyway, let's just go back. And that's our main page there. And so that's basically the app that goes with it. And then you just got to put it in your ears and then, check the sound, and you can do a hearing test. When you do the hearing test, what happens is, it shows you, first it does this, right? Then you have to hit start, and then it goes through it. And what it's going to ask you to do is you got to click this until you hear it. So you would click that until you hear it. Once you've heard it, you hit skip, and then you go to the other ear, and you keep clicking until and that's basically the hearing test. To go back, you just come up here, click on there. But you definitely need this app to use the hearing aids. So make sure you download it because you can't do it on the hearing aids themselves. All right, so let's set that there, right? And then, when you want to charge it, you've got to put them back in there. And you got to make sure the contacts hit, right? So here's the left one. If you look in there, you'll see the contacts. I'm going to put it down in there. And then you can see that lights up. That's telling me that it needs to be charged more. And I'm going to put the right one in. And the right one lit up too. It shows that, all right, so I need a little charge on both of them, right? So here's the port. I have a USB-C over here that I can plug into it. And bam, done. And then we just let it charge. And then once they're fully charged, these two lights will go out. But anyway, that's kind of basically the unboxing of it and how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos. Peace out.